The interaction between vegetarian and meat dishes. Food is a universal language that brings people together from all walks of life. Whether it is a simple meal at home or a fancy dinner at a restaurant, food has the power to create connections and build relationships. One of the most exciting aspects of food is the interaction between different dishes, particularly between vegetarian and meat dishes. This article will explore the interaction between vegetarian and meat dishes and provide tips for creating harmonious flavor combinations. Vegetarian and meat dishes, an overview. Vegetarian and meat dishes are often thought of as mutually exclusive categories of food. However, with the rise of flexitarianism and the increasing popularity of plant-based diets, the line between vegetarian and meat dishes is becoming increasingly blurred. Restaurants and home cooks alike are incorporating vegetarian dishes into their menus, often alongside meat dishes. One of the benefits of combining vegetarian and meat dishes is that it creates a more balanced meal. Meat dishes are often high in protein and fat but may lack certain vitamins and minerals found in plant-based foods. Vegetarian dishes, on the other hand, are often rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber but may lack protein and fat. Combining the two can create a more nutritionally complete meal. Flavor combinations. Creating a harmonious flavor combination between vegetarian and meat dishes is key to a successful meal. Here are some tips for creating balanced and delicious flavor combinations. Consider the protein sources. If you are combining a meat dish with a vegetarian dish, consider the protein sources in each dish. This will help you to ensure that you are not overloading on one type of protein while lacking in another. For example, if you are serving a steak alongside a quinoa salad, you may want to add some roasted chickpeas or tofu to the salad to boost the protein content. Use complementary flavors. Complementary flavors refer to flavors that work well together. For example, sweet and savory, spicy and sweet, or sour and salty. When combining vegetarian and meat dishes, try to use complementary flavors to create a harmonious flavor profile. For example, if you are serving a spicy meat dish, you may want to pair it with a cool and refreshing cucumber salad. Balanced textures. Texture is an important aspect of food that can greatly affect the overall dining experience. When combining vegetarian and meat dishes, it is important to balance textures to create a satisfying meal. For example, if you are serving a crispy fried chicken alongside a creamy potato salad, you may want to add some crunchy vegetables or nuts to the salad for texture contrast. Don't forget the sauces. Sauces can add a lot of flavor and depth to a dish, and they can also help to tie together different components of a meal. When combining vegetarian and meat dishes, consider using a sauce that complements both dishes. For example, a tangy vinaigrette can work well with both a grilled steak and a roasted vegetable medley. Examples of vegetarian and meat dish combinations. Here are some examples of vegetarian and meat dish combinations that work well together. Grilled portobello mushroom burger with bacon. This is a classic combination of a vegetarian burger with a meaty twist. The meaty flavor and texture of the grilled portobello mushroom complement the smoky and salty flavor of the bacon. Lentil shepherd's pie with ground beef. This is a great combination of